Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. Did y'all miss me? I feel like I've been gone for forever, but I'm back, y'all. I just needed a little break, you know. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be sharing a wig I was sent from MYFIRSTWIG. I already took the wig out, but then I stuffed the back. But it's this nice blonde looking wig. I can tell you that this is Swiss lace. The knots already come bleached and the hairline already comes pre-plucked. So this is what the wig is looking like. And this is what the hairline is looking like. Alright, like, do y'all see? I know y'all see these curls popping. They popping. They not, it's still is getting there, y'all. It's not as curly as what it used to be, but we definitely getting there. Like, seriously. Now, don't mind the middle part of my hair. The middle part of my hair always been bad. Like, for some reason, the middle of my head. Okay, this is my normal curls. My normal curl pattern right here. Oh my god, y'all can't see it. Ugh. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the normal curl pattern. And my whole head was like this. And then it just fell off and it's not that great anymore. And I mean, not my whole head, because like the middle part of my head is the worst. Like, it won't even form a curl. Like, all of this, the middle, look at this, y'all. But minus the middle part of my hair, all of like the perimeter of my hair is so freaking curly. And then when you get to the middle part, it's just like, I hate it. So here is the inside. It smells so good. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also comes with the elastic band that you can adjust. I do believe, yeah, you can adjust it. The wig is actually lighter than what is coming up, but my camera is dark. I need to figure out something, because this is definitely light. All right, that's much better. This is what the wig is looking like. This is the part. I like wearing a black stocking cap with lighter wigs, or like blonde wigs, because it just makes it look like it's root. You get me? So this is what it looks like. This is how long it is. I think this is actually like maybe 20 or 22 inches. I did tighten up the elastic band on here, and I'm gonna see how that works for me. If not, I'm going to tighten up the adjustable straps. But you know what, normally I put the adjustable straps together, but I'm just gonna hook them on these loops right here and see how that works out. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this Bold Hold liquid gold, and yeah, I might speed this up, y'all. wig looks like after I laid my lace down. So she is really cute. I definitely love this color. Yeah, I'm loving this color. She is cute. So, fun fact, I went and got my lips blushed. Like, I got lip blushing done to my lips. Have anybody heard of that? Or if you have gotten your lips blushed before, and for those of you who don't know what lip blushing is, it's basically where they tattoo your lips like a certain color, or if you have discoloration, they try to neutralize it and even it out. Me, I had discoloration on my lips. It's one thing like I don't like about my lips. I love my lips, but I don't like that. And like, I feel like as the older I get, my lip pigmentation just gets darker. So anyway, I went, what am I looking for? So I went and I got it done. I had my first session, and then I was supposed to go back. Well, it takes 4 to 6 weeks for it to heal. So yo, when I came out of there, I kid you not, my lips looked like I got lip fillers. They were so big. That's another reason I wasn't filming, because I just could not, well, I could if I wanted to, but I just did not want to come on camera like that. And then it was peeling, and when I say the peeling process is bad, because they don't want you to actually like peel off anything. Like, you have to let it fall off. The worst ever, y'all. So yeah, but y'all, I feel like it made my lips darker. Like, I'm really not pleased. And like I was saying, I think, did I even say this already? If anybody has gotten this little, you know, lip blushing done, and your experience was good and it changed like your whole lips and all of that, let me know in the comment section down below, because I would really like to know. But for me, I guess it hasn't been, I think it's been almost 4 weeks. It hasn't been 6 weeks yet, and she said my lips will get darker before they get lighter. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, when are you going to get lighter? Because like, I need some pink lips, but natural pink, like how they used to be back in the day. Like, I need my lips to be like that again. But I'm taking my wax stick, because I already put it on the side. I already added my little baby hair, and I put some concealer in my part. So I don't know if y'all can see these flyaways, but it's flyaways right here, and I don't want like the top to be too, you know, too oily. But alright, y'all, so this is like 2 days later, and now I'm gonna actually style this wig for you guys. Sorry, I need to shave my underarms. I don't know why I didn't do it before filming. I am gonna do it, but just it's a lot of arm movement. So yeah, y'all, I know I need to shave my underarms. Alright y'all, I'm back. Let me try something, right? Because this is cute, so this is my end results, but I want to cut it, but I feel like I'm gonna regret it if I cut it shorter. So I'm going to like give myself a full bulb. I feel like bobby pins probably will work best, so I'm gonna try it again. So I'm gonna take this side, and then I feel like it will make it more full. Which one do y'all like more? Because I didn't want to cut it and then mess it up and then I regret it later. So this is like a good alternative. I'm going to turn around so y'all can see what it looks like in the back. That's the side. Here is the back. She is really cute. You know, I had to throw some makeup on because I was looking extra dry. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. And if you are interested in this wig, all the details will be listed in the description box. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.